Hello, ni hao. I'm Chef Tom, making great food for my sons and his friends in college. Here we go. I'm making a steak and a pasta dish. A chicken Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. So now I add some chicken. I'm gonna cook the chicken first. And here, I'm gonna egg this beautiful, turn the heat really high, filet mignon. A pinch of salt, a lot of salt. Boom, boom, like that. And pepper. I got a pot of water, boiling water to cook some pasta. Gonna add some garlic in to give the chicken meat some flavor. I just want to brown the filet mignon first. I got this special mix for steak, prime rib. I got it from Eastern Market. Generously like that. And then, give them a quick flip. I want both sides brown really good and put in the oven, 350 for maybe 7 to 8 minutes. I want the inside temperature about 130. Okay. Pinch of salt. Some black pepper. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at the chicken, cooked nice. You turn the oven for 350 now. Make sure nothing in the oven before you turn it on. Sometimes the kids put stuff in the oven. You know what? I just changed my mind. I got some butter and thyme. So instead put it in the oven, I'm gonna put a stick of butter in. I got some thyme, put it in. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. And chicken here, I got some mushroom. Two kinds of mushroom. The boys love mushroom. Give them a quick mix. Oh, smells so good. Let's cooking. Look at that, huh? I'm going to infuse the butter and the thyme to suck into all this beautiful filet mignon, nice and juicy. Because the college kids, I just realized they might have to freeze this to reheat it. That's why I changed my mind. I like to have creamy, saucy, nice and delicious. So, this pot of water is boiling. Add some salt. Bang, bang, like that. Oh yeah. And then, we got this fettuccine. Put it right in here. Let them cook. I'm gonna add some more garlic, more salt, and pepper. It's gonna cook through, you know. Don't worry, it's gonna cook through. Give them a quick stir. Beautiful, beautiful. Smell amazing. Nice. Here I'm gonna get a spoon. I'm gonna bath the steak. Oh, this is a great butter. I can smell the thyme. Everything's so delicious. Like that. Okay, here I'm gonna add some half and half. 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, about 4 cup. That's my kind of measurement. I just want to cover up all the chicken and the mushroom. Here we got pasta to cook. Once in a while you gotta give them a stir, you know? Okay, the steak, the best way to monitor is using my magic. This with me like at least, oh my god, older than my son. Believe it or not. The thicker one, insert in. 130. They like a little more like a medium rare, between medium rare and medium. Okay, 89, good. Put it right here. Okay, I'm gonna let this sauce reduce down, maybe 15 minutes. So much fun, right? Yes. Give the steak a quick flip. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful brown. Very nice. Put it back in here. We don't want to overcook the steak, especially a nice quality filet. Yeah, college kid, they don't have a lot of options. Do the best we can. This is for him and his roommate too. Very nice. Okay, the steak is 127. I think it's good. Turn it off. I'm gonna take out the steak and let them rest for 10-15 minutes before I cut it. Let me check on this pasta. Oh yeah, maybe 3 more minutes. The sauce looking good. And give them a taste. I don't think I have enough time to reduce down the 4 cup of half and half. So I can use cornstarch, the Asian method to dip the sauce. Let me try the sauce. Wow, the flavor is excellent. A little more pepper, more salt. Okay, the pasta, 1 more minute. So here I'm gonna thicken with some cornstarch mixed in with the water. Turn the fire a little higher. And we're gonna dip this beautiful sauce. Then I turn off the fire of the pasta. Look at that, how gorgeous. I need a little bit thicker. A little more. I need it to be kind of thick because I'm going to add the pasta direct from that cooked boiling water in. Might have some water got involved with this. Very nice. Okay, now I'm just going to be slowly move my pasta in like this. Nice. Very nice. And then I'm going to drain out the rest of the pasta. Add everything in here. Give them a quick toss. Mix in all the pasta and the sauce together. This is a pound and a half. We want the pasta al dente. The first step is you cannot overcook the pasta. So now we're gonna add this beautiful shredded Parmesan cheese. Almost done. Give them a quick mix. Yeah. Now we're talking. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Next, we got this beautiful fine chopped parsley in. Just like that. Alright, turn off the heat. Look at that. Huh? Oh boy. Oh, yummy, yummy. These are the food I prepared for my son and his roommate. I got this organic ranch for college kids, easy, simple. 3 different kind of lettuce. And here are the chicken, Parmesan, fettuccine, some general chicken, some Hunan beef. You just put a combination together, some dinner roll extra that we have made earlier. And I put some steak. It's kind of like a combination dish that will make them really happy. And they can put it in the freezer. And because this container is microwavable and the freezer too. And we had some fried rice, some chicken dishes, vegetables. So great combination. Here we go. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. This is a great way to prepare like freeze the meal for your kids, for your friend. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Tucker, are you looking for something, Tucker? Did you find anything? Unfortunately, your dad's a great chef. I don't drop any food. I'm sorry, dear. Baby, how are you? Say hi. Oh, Cooper, you here too? Cooper, say hi.